EdApp is really intuitive, interactive and fun. I love that I can quickly complete a micro lesson in a few minutes right from my phone. It's also been great to have the flexibility to access and revisit contents whenever I need. I really like how modern the app is too. It makes it less like learning and more like playing a game. I work in a busy store, so I really enjoy the social element of EdApp. Through our courses, we're able to compete against other stores through EdApp's leaderboards feature. I really enjoyed this element of it, and we're actually ranked at the top at the moment, which is pretty exciting. I really like that I can complete courseware in different languages. I speak English and Chinese, and many of our clients speak different languages as well, so being comfortable with the right terms and the details for all our products is super beneficial. EdApp's push notification has been helpful for me as well, since I get a reminder message if I've forgotten to finish my courses. It keeps me on top of my lessons that I can easily finish when I have 5 minutes spare.